get like medical liability insurance, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Which is fine, but like still, man, it's
When the last time you been up here?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah, you're fine. Don't worry. You want me to go in front of you?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
do that.
sure.
I'm not trying to.
No, my man, I got you. This place, I'll be honest with you, if I was a millionaire, man, take this place for free. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to
Your
help
dad
you.
said somebody was offering him $200,000.
Who?
That's what he said. He said that a Chinese guy
Oh,
offered
2
him.
million, 2 million,
No,
not
he said
200.
he said down payment of 200.
Oh, down, yeah,
Yeah.
but not, you know. No, he was offering a Chinese guy.
Wow.
Came in and offered 2.1. I'm not gonna lie, you know. But it's pretty huge. Like, look,
This is huge.
This is the apartment, man. Tell me not. This is a huge apartment.
It is a huge apartment.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
This is
that's why, like, I recommend you just convert it with DOB. You know what I'm saying?
and this to get rid of the downstairs.
No.
Make that
The
into a
downstairs.
store?
Yeah, keep the downstairs. Keep the commercial. Just they're not gonna increase the taxes if you do the conversion at 4 units. You know what I'm saying? What are they gonna increase it, like another $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 a year? It doesn't matter. But you just gotta keep like fighting them. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep fighting these people, man. I used to. You wanna know? I used to work for the city of New York.
Yeah.
Really close to the mayor's office.
Oh, nice.
Scumbags. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's nice, but it's scumbags. You know what I'm saying?
I know like my iPad has a flashlight on there. Should have bought my other one. This is. So, how many offers did you guys have on here? Did you?
We had like, I'll be honest with you, we had like, cause we were shooting for 3 million at first, so we had about like 4 serious offers, but then we never acted in time, and the money they had, when we reached back to them, you know, they already had
Something that
purchased
uses-
something.
Yeah, I was looking at. Oh,
No, don't worry, I got it.
I was looking at other property in New York. It was in Bedford Stuyvesant, and it was 510,000. It was worth 1.6 million.
Yeah, in Bedford-Stuy.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, look, Bed-Stuy is good too, but it's far from Manhattan.
it is.
You know, Bed-Stuy is far from Manhattan. You know, this one you're looking at like under 20 minutes, but Bed-Stuy is like at least like 30-35 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It's adding another 15 minute, and then look at this MTA. You could never rely on the MTA. Like you could rely on it, but it's never running perfect. You know, so your tenants are gonna be, you know, your tenants are gonna have a hard time if they work in Manhattan, you know, or downtown Brooklyn. They're gonna be really upset. You know, so, like, you're not gonna get good rent if it's that far. You know what I'm saying?
Now people like the convenience. I understand that.
Oh, they do. I know that. Yeah.
So yeah, this looks like it's a big hole, gaping hole right there.
No. This is fine. This is fine. I walked through it. I walked through it a couple of days. You know.
It has great potential, but it is a lot
Just
of
be
work.
careful right there.
They have nails. I'm trying to avoid nails.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the size, man.
I mean the size, yes, but this the framework is all gone.
Yeah.
It's all gone. This is a whole. It's a rebuild completely. This has to be rebuilt.
Yeah, but you don't have to, like, that's what I'm saying. I don't think it's a smart idea to knock the whole build side, the
No,
building
I don't
down.
think about knocking the building down. I'm
No,
saying the
yeah.
like the brick walls are probably the best part of this
Yeah.
whole deal, because this was built in 1903, 1913, I think.
1930. I think.
30.
Yeah.
There's wood back here, more wood, and then I see more wood.
Yeah, it's like.
And see, this is where the problem. I can see the fire. This is where it was. This is going to be a lot. This is going to be a lot, and
Well, this isn't really like, this was a different fire before we picked it up.
Okay, so
So
yeah,
there was like I believe a fire on the third, and then when we had it, there was a fire on the second. You know what I'm saying? But there's the brick right there. You see on the other side.
yeah.
You know. It has like it's not all frame. A lot of people assume it's all frame, so but it's really not. You know. And you see the be careful.
See, I did.
And you see the brick right there. It's, the whole backside is brick. You know what I'm saying?
Why did they not take the walls off? This is where the fire occurred, right?
No, second floor.
Just downstairs.
Well, this one had a fire too, but not when we were here.
All right, so why
Yeah.
did they? Were they planning on doing? This is what your dad was planning on doing in 2017, kind of fixing this internal inside up. Because I know he had it for alteration too. That's to do plumbing and all that stuff.
Yeah,
so
exactly
what happened with that? Your mother had.
We didn't have the funds.
Oh,
We didn't have the funds. That's
I
really.
think it was
what
like 15,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't have the funds. You know.
I would love to. I'm definitely coming back with my contractor because he needs to see this. I mean, I'm gonna show him in the video, but
make a legitimate offer. It doesn't have to.
It'll be legitimate,
2.4.
but
Yeah.
it won't be 2.4. I'm
No,
gonna tell you
I
that
understand.
honestly.
I know that.
I'm not gonna offer that.
But I
because
like you, Latif. So make an offer that I will think of you for the rest of my life in good faith. I'll pray for you.
I would definitely make an offer, but it has to be a contingent upon after seeing how much work is going to be in here, like an actual
Based on
price.
what your
Yeah, because we
contractor
I cannot. It has to be a deal. That's the whole thing about investing in real estate. You know this. It got to be a deal. You know, if I was a realtor, for you, it's different. You have a completed house or a completed property.
Exactly,
That you
exactly.
this isn't.
I understand. No.
This
believe me,
has potential, but potential I'm
it's
projecting.
projected. It's not really
Right.
It's not really.
We can't see it.
true, yeah.
Right. So
I understand.
So if we make an offer, then it would be based upon those things. I like it. I'm nervous in it right now, honestly, because
Why?
Well, because you see the back window, and then I know on the roof it's going to have to be redone because of rain.
You could come check this out. You could do like a ready.
You just like walking past over these things, huh?
No, I come here a lot. That's what I'm trying to say. Is like I
Careful
spend.
in here. I'm trying to be not stuck on any nails.
Oh, that's one right there. You know, I don't know if you think you could fit through one of these.
I'm sure I could. I'm not that big, thanks.
No, you're not. You're not. But I'm saying like I would have a hard time myself.
Yeah, I'm just trying not to knock
wish I
any of this
could
wood over.
take one out.
But see, this is the window. See, this window, because it rains, it get weathered in here easily. No, don't do that because we don't need any of this stuff going down. It's not that serious to get over there.
Really?
Yeah, we don't need to go over there.
But what I wanted to show you is cause see this one is a slightly smaller in square footage than the second floor.
Right.
So you could do a terrace in the back on the second floor. You could do like a really nice like terrace because that's the thing. It's like the back of this is irregular. It's a regular lot. So like at some point just like it goes in rectangular and then it diagonals. You know
Yeah, I
what I'm
know.
saying?
I've seen
but
it.
not too much. Not too much. Like maybe the last after like 70 square feet.
So
You know what I'm saying?
The floor, this whole
Of
floor,
light.
gonna have to be done again. See? Yeah, this
I don't know what that is.
this is gonna work to be done.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
I'm with you.
Work to be done. Now, if y'all work with me, we can. My contractor come. We could do something, but I don't know. Yeah, we have to really consider a lot. And if you have a contractor that you want to bring in too to get a second opinion, that is fine.
No, we don't.
Because we do
that.
this.
We already know. I already know what it could cost. If you want to go cheap, you could go cheap. If you want to do something luxury.
Oh no, we're not gonna go cheap. We can't go cheap because this area is really a nice area.
Yeah, so you don't.
You go cheap and no quality.
You're not gonna get
quality
the rent.
over quantity.
Yeah, you're not gonna get the rent that. But I understand it's maybe construction of all the wood frame. That's
Well,
definitely
here's the
100.
thing: we don't know what else is wrong. 'Cause
Oh no, nothing else. Nothing else.
Well, the wood, like you said, the wood.
Oh no, the whole wood would have to be replaced.
Yeah,
And I know
yeah.
wood is expensive. I'm not saying wood is cheap. Wood is expensive. but then you're putting the cost of the labor replacing the
Yeah.
wood. That's another cost. It's probably the cost of the labor is probably more money than the cost of the material itself. I know that, my man. I do a lot of reading in real estate. You know, New York City got the highest cost of construction labor.
Yes,
in
what I
the
try to do
country.
is do some of the demolition, sweat equity. I try to do some of the work myself. If we decide to keep it, that's what I'll do. Like we did we had a break to do a bathroom over, and I'm like, you know what, could hire somebody, we could do it. So I did it. Broke the wall down, the tub, and all that stuff, and then let the people install it because I'm not a carpenter. But I try to just do whatever I can to help
Right.
the process to cut the money because that's more money.
The labor.
Demolition, the labor,
Yeah.
you know. But I do believe in paying people for the quality of job they do.
If you have people that
Yeah.
are quality,
Yeah,
that's
right.
the
And
thing.
that's-
Yeah.
yeah.
That's hard to find these days in New York. You know.
You telling me?
Oh, I know. Believe me, that's why I want to get out of here, man. Cause like it's so hard to win.
But that market you're going into is very competitive.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Nah.
You,
I'll be
no?
a star out there.
I'm sure. You look like you're a star out here.
No.
No?
I'm nobody here, man. I could be if I had a little bit of money in my pocket, but I don't have nothing in my pocket, man. You know, I'm educated, but I don't have. What's education today without no money? Nothing. You know, right?
It costs money.
Yeah. You know.
Education, education is good, but
It's
like you
good,
said,
but-
educate if it's not applied, it's
Exactly,
useless.
yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
What did you get? You have a degree
Yeah, in biology.
In biology. Oh.
Yeah, bachelor's of science.
How
in
does that?
biology.
How's that?
It's good.
Like,
It's just because like you're dealing with the state of New York, man. The state of New York is not an easy. They require
How'd
so
you get
much.
into real estate?
Oh well, I didn't do too. I rushed my degree, so I didn't do well GPA wise, and I was just like, you know what? I'll just graduate for the heck
Just
of
to-
it, just
yeah.
to get the degree and get it
But
over
then
with.
you didn't want to do it after.
No,
that?
and then I realized like I made a bad choice. I made a bad choice that I graduated with a low GPA.
It doesn't-
You know, but I could go back. I figured a way because I want to go back and study medicine. So somebody advised me that I should take a second bachelor's, and whatever courses I took from the first that I did really well in, I transfer them
Yep.
into the second.